In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix slow internet connection in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. There are many reasons. That's why your Windows 11 computer may fall in slow internet connection. Now I'm going to show you how to fix these issues. First of all, right click on Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Windows Update, scroll down, click on Advanced Options, scroll down again, then click on Delivery Optimization, allow download from other PC. Now it's turned on, just turn it off, close settings. Now second step, right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager, expand Network Adapter and right click your network adapter and then click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. The best driver for your device are already installed. Now click on Close. Close Device Manager. Next step, go to Search. In Search type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. In Command Prompt, type ipconfig//DNS. It will clear DNS resolver cache. Now hit Enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now second command, type netsh winsock reset. It will reset the network adapter settings. Hit Enter. Successfully reset winsock catalog. Now the next command, netsh int ip reset. It will reset the IP address assignment. Now hit Enter. You need to restart the computer to complete this action. Close command prompt. Now restart your computer. Go to Start menu and then click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your Windows 11 computer slow internet connection problem has been resolved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.